Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow us on our Telegram channel, you will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the comment section, click on the link and follow us on our Telegram channel so you can get 1 or 2 updates from us there. Now let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on gold. So if you take a look at this on the food trend, you can see that gold was literally on an uptrend move, right? We talked about it, and I also told you guys that gold was literally ranging within this level. And if you were following this channel consistently, if you are not, I will advise you to actually subscribe so you follow us and you get an update. So I literally told you guys that once markets comes to this resistance level, we are likely to break above it, right? And this is exactly what market did. Markets eventually broke above this resistance level. Last week Friday, I also did analysis on gold, and I told you guys that gold will definitely going to drop to a level of 2423. I said it. That was about 200 plus pips. Gold eventually dropped and gave us that our 200 pips we're anticipating. It even gave us more than the 200 pips we were anticipating for. So it dropped about close to 500 pips. But since we expected it to drop to 2423, that was about 200 pips, which was an amazing one. So right now, I told you guys that gold will drop, which it has eventually done that. Now, with what I'm seeing next, I'm still seeing gold to drop to this support level, because if you have to look at it, gold is literally ranging. Now, this is it. This is it here. When markets came here, we saw it tap our resistance level. Then it dropped to our support. Markets came to this our resistance, dropped to this our support level. It also came to this our resistance. You can see it here. And now we will be expecting a drop to this our support level, right? So that is what I'm saying. That is in the long run. I'm not trying to say it will happen soon. Maybe something that can happen in 6 to 7 months time, which it has possibility. We can't really tell right now, but in the long run, that is it. Now if you take a look at this, we've actually had this massive movement, right? Then if you take a look at this was our first lows, first high, lower highs. This was the massive low here. So a lower ice is literally forming. If it can push or finish, once it's finished forming, we should expect another movement to the downside. So basically, my bias on gold is still to the downside. I'm still expecting gold to actually sell. That is what I am expecting. If there will be any changes, I will give you guys an update on that. If there will be any changes, that is why you need to follow our Telegram channel if you are not yet, so you can get an update from us there.